Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm just popping in here real quick because I didn't end up filming an intro for this video, but I'm just going to be going through my collection today and organizing it. I filmed this video at the same time that I was doing my makeup inventory, so if you haven't seen that one yet, definitely check that out. But this video is mainly just going to be like sped up clips or like little clips put together where I am just organizing my collection. There's a little bit of talking, but there's mainly just going to be music in the background, so I hope that this is relaxing for you and that you enjoy. This drawer is just awful to look at. This is the cream cheek product drawer. This is my lipstick drawer. I hate opening this up. I honestly rarely do because a lot of the lip products that I use on a daily basis are like easily accessible to me. This drawer is kind of more, like a little bit more visually appealing, and I just keep some of like the products I have multiples of that I know I really enjoy and that also look nice. I had a pretty good system going in here. It looked really nice, but you know, a lot of the products I ended up not really using too much. I'm just going to do the best that I can. It would be really awesome if I can have my Myrick's stuff over here. I'm using the Apple packaging that my iPad keyboard came in to just kind of keep everything really neat in here, and it works really well. actually pretty cute with like especially the rainbowness over here. That's actually pretty cute. So this is where my makeup is kind of displayed on top of my desk, and I talked about this a little bit in my makeup inventory video. I just don't really want to be displaying as much makeup as I currently am. Obviously this looks like a mess, but you know, usually it's kind of cute, but I just don't want to be using up literally like a third of my desk for displaying makeup. I'm going to try to consolidate some of this and have it just be in this kind of little corner right here. I just finished putting away eyeshadow palettes that used to be in here, and I don't think I'm gonna get rid of this. I don't really know what I'm going to do with it exactly, but I've had this for ages. It's from Target and it served me very well. This will definitely be staying. These are the very classic IKEA cups, and yeah, I just need to upgrade. I also need to wash my brushes truly first off, but these are just empty glass jars I'm going to use for my brushes. We'll see how I like that. I guess let's just see exactly what this can hold. Okay, actually not that many. A couple blending brushes, a couple of smaller blending brushes, eyeshadow, another blending. Not entirely sure if I like that better, but it's fine. I'm going to quickly go through this, and I'm most definitely getting rid of a ton of these. All those are trash. Let's just say all those are trash. Honestly, even though I do really love my e.l.f. Big Mood Mascara, I think that's trash too. And my Milani Highly Rated, I think that's also trash, only because these are kind of old. The Kosas mascara is still fine, even though it's not my favorite. I'm just going to keep it up there. Mob Beauty is good too. Oma by Sharon C is getting old. I've got to trash that, but that's a great mascara. I do love it. Tarte 28 mascara is gonna go right here. I've not had these drawers empty, and honestly, I think 4 mascaras feels really good to me. Oh, and I do have this little mini mascara.